Are you curious about how professional traders manage risk with advanced tools? Well, today we are diving into interactive brokers basket trading and real-world hedging strategies used by institutional traders. So, hi guys, my name is Ephraim Mukoso. I'm an experienced trader with a focus on industry standard practices. In this video, you will learn how to build a tech stock basket and hedge it with futures. By the end, you will learn how to use the basket trading tool, just like our institutions do. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more industry standard trading tips and insights. So let's get started. So if you are not familiar with Trader Workstation, the platform that I'm going to use. So Trader Workstation is a professional trading platform from Interactive Brokers. So Interactive Brokers is well known. It's one of the top brokers that offers both caters to both individuals, retail traders, and institutions. So I'm going to use their trading platform, Trader Workstation, as a demonstration. So if you don't have it, you can actually create an account. You can go to their website. Actually, if you can see on my screen, I'm actually on their web page. So here you can actually come here and set your free trial. All you need is your email address, and they'll be able to assist. So basically, that's how you can create an account, and then once you're done with an account, then you can download any of their trading platforms. So right now, I have their Trader Workstation desktop. That's the one that I'm going to use. So let's go to the platform. It's already open. So I'm going to come here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate how you, by using what is called basket trading. So in basket trading, I'll show you just briefly how institutional traders and professional traders are able to configure securities in one basket, and they're able to execute. So this is actually very efficient if you want to pre-program strategies and securities so that you can just trade and enter trades where, as you know, markets are actually very fast moving. So you wouldn't want to miss an opportunity. So in a Trader Workstation, how to create basket trading. So you just come here. If you can see my mouse, come down here, there's a plus, this plus icon, so I'm going to click on it. So it says add tab, create a new custom layout. So this one, build a layout by snapping your favorite tools together. And then there's this one, layout library, so you can browse. So what I'm going to do, we're going to use these template layouts in the library. So we're going to try and find the, so as you can see, there are different layouts. So we can scroll down and see that the basket trader is not there. So I'm going to say, come here and say all, then see how it goes. We just try to minimize a little bit so we can be able to see what's happening down. Yeah, so I'll also try to minimize it. Let's just go down like this. So then you're able to see, yeah. So you can come down, try to look for it. So it's down here. So yeah, so if I move here, you can see this is basket trading. Trade a custom created basket of components of assets types as a package. So I'll say add layout. So I'll click it again just to make sure that it opens. Yeah. So in here, what I'm going to do, we are going to create, as a demonstration, let's just create a basket of tech stocks and then see how we can add a hedging instrument using futures, and then you see how it's going to work with us. Okay. So we are going to, for this example demonstration, let's just use a number of tech stocks that are well known. So we'll say Apple, we'll choose Apple. We click it here in instrument, here, come to instrument, click Apple, then I'll just say enter. So wait for it, then it gives me this drop down window. So I'll come to stock, and then I come on stock. As you can see, it has populated. Then we can do the next one. Let's say Microsoft. So the symbol is MSFT. Then you come down. So to look for Microsoft. So here it is. So here there's the stock. So it gives you all these options here. So I'll just say stock here. Then it populates. Then you say alphabet. So this is Google. So I'll say this is the symbol for alphabet. So again, I'll do the same thing. Come here, then I come back down here. So we'll say Amazon. Amazon is this one. So see, okay, so I think I made a mistake there. So I didn't put an A. So it's AMZN, that's for Amazon. So again, it gives us the stock. So we come back, then we can come here and see if we can add some more. So I'll come here and say Meta, that's for Facebook. So we'll say Meta. Enter, then it gives me stock. Then come here, then it gives me again. So what I want to do is, for us, we are assuming that we are going long. So what we want to do is we want to add a hedging strategy so that if our basket of stock experiences downside, then the hedging strategy will be able to at least offset some losses. So what I'm going to do is I will change the quantity, because here you can actually change the quantity. So for this one, the quantity, it comes to, I want 1,000 shares. So I'll do the same here. Then I'll go to 1,000 shares. And I'll come here. So say 1,000 shares. And I'll go to the next one. Say 1,000 shares. Then we can come here down. The last one, Meta, we can say 1,000 shares. So all these stocks are in there. And all these are tech stocks. So we need to choose a hedging strategy, a hedging instrument which best reflects the tech stocks. So for this one, we are going to use the E-mini Nasdaq. So the E-mini Nasdaq is the one that has exposure to the tech stocks. So the symbol is NQ. So I'll say NQ here. Then press enter. As you can see, it gives me index and futures. So I'll come here to futures. And then it gives me these options. There's NQ December, March, June, but I'll pick this one, continuous. So as you can see, I just click here, then it comes back. So now how do you determine how many Nasdaq futures contracts are you going to use for this basket of stocks? So you need to calculate the notional value. Okay, so you need to calculate the total notional value of the stocks that you have indicated in this basket. So for this example, so we have about 5 stocks. So what you need to do, you need to calculate the number of the share price by the quantity 1,000. Then that gives you the notional value of each share. So you do that for all these. So once you find the notional value, the notional value for all these, then you add them together, then it will give you the notional value for all the stocks. And then what you're going to do in order to find the number of contracts that you need, the NASDAQ contracts that you need. So what you're going to do, you're going to get the total notional value of the stock basket, and then you're going to divide it by the notional value of the NASDAQ contract. So what is the notional value of the NASDAQ contract? So you can come here, you see the NASDAQ contract. If you see, I can just hover here. The NASDAQ contract is like currently 20,632. So this 20,632, you multiply it by 20 because that's the contract specification for the NASDAQ. So this will give you, so once you do the notional value of the stock basket divided by the notional value of the NASDAQ contract, it will give you the number of contracts. So earlier on, I actually did just a brief calculation, a rough calculation, and it gave me roughly 4.5 contracts. So we need to round it off so to 5. So I'll just indicate 5 contracts here. So what I'm going to do here would say we change the limit. So we can say the limits. Before I even do that, we can just come here. Then we can say the type here because you can change all these. So what we want is for a demonstration, let's make all of them to be market orders so that they can fill immediately, just as an example. So I'll come here and do the same for this one. And then for the futures contract. And remember, we are going long, so we are buying all these stocks. But for our hedging strategy, we need to sell. So this one should be a sell. Okay. So meaning 5 NASDAQ contracts will be able to hedge the losses, some of the losses that we are going to incur. So before you can change even the time in force. Here you can say day or GTC, which is good till cancelled. You can make all these adjustments in here. So once you are done and everything is okay, what you need to do, remember this basket, you can save it as a file because what we are trying to do, the whole point is that we're trying to save a custom basket so that whenever you are analyzing the market and you 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 get the conditions favorable for this particular basket, then you can just execute it. That is the goodness with a basket trader. So we'll give it a name. We'll say take, can say take basket, take basket. So then I'll save here. So you see file has been saved. So all you have to do now is come here and say transmit. So I'll click here. Are you sure you want to submit all orders? So don't display this again. So I'll say yes. So one or more orders in this group exceed the size limit constraint specific in the order. Would you like to submit all orders anyway? So we are just demonstrating. So let's see what will happen. So as you can see down here, all orders are being filled. See beta plus 5. So this order has gone through. So what you need to do now, you can come here, down here to Mosaic. And now you can see before there was 1,500 and because there were no active trades. But now that I've executed that one, that basket, it has changed. So all of them are now, you can see them down here. Is all these ones here, as you can see. So you can come down and then you'll be able to see all the trades. And there's a summary window here of the orders, and you can check the trades. So if you want, you have to maximize this window So you can see them properly here. You have all the market orders I've gone through, and then you have the trades here. It shows you all the trades and the informations and the summary. You can also check the summary here. So what we're going to do is get it back. So basically, this one is called basket trader and trading, and you have put it here. So you are able to, as you can see, execute basket. There's transmit, there's pause all, there's cancel all, there's reverse and cancel. So on this one, this just gives you a quick way of doing executing trades when the markets are moving very fast. So let's see, we can try to cancel over here. Or maybe let me just say cancel and reverse. So I can come in. So you say, are you sure you want to cancel and reverse all orders on this page? Say yes. So that goes in. So it gives us this page. So I'll say override and transmit. So say override and say all of them, override. As you can see, even here it's doing the same thing, showing and saying override, override. So not all of them have been cancelled. So basically, this is how it works. As you can see, we come here, positions, this is flattened. So this is one of the features of this platform. It's actually it's a very powerful platform. So I hope you are able to at least get a grasp of how institutional traders are able to navigate using this platform. So basically, this is how it looks like, and hopefully you are able to pick one or two things. So if you liked this video, you can always just remember to subscribe, and then I'll be posting some more videos just to help the retail traders who are looking for to at least know some industry standard practices that institutional traders are using and professional traders are using. And I also feature some of the platforms that you can use and check out both for trading and for analyzing stocks. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.